Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi will announce the Redmi K80 series of smartphones in China by the end of November. Here's the first look at the Redmi K80 series, which features a round camera module on the back. The 3C certification has revealed that the lineup may include 3 models: Redmi K80, Redmi K80, and Redmi K80 Pro. These devices are expected to be powered by the Dimensity 8400, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipsets. The Redmi K80 Pro has achieved an impressive score of over 3 million points on Antutu. Key features of the Redmi K80 Pro include a flat OLED panel with a 2000 resolution, a 120 Hz refresh rate, a single punch hole, thin bezels, and an integrated ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The back panel will feature a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary camera with a large sensor, a 32-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens supporting 3x optical zoom. For selfies, the device will have a 20-megapixel camera. The Redmi K80 Pro is expected to pack a 6500 milliampere-hour massive battery and support 120-watt fast charging. The Redmi K80 and K80 Pro may be rebranded as the Poco F7 and Poco F7 Pro for markets outside China in 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.